Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to link my Instagram to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. As a first step, and after getting the browser, search for YouTube. Then open it in a new tab by press and hold till this pop up and choose Open in New tab. Enter the page from below. Then activate the desktop site. After that, tap on your channel's picture and open YouTube Studio in a new tab by press and hold, then choose the first option. To avoid being switched to YouTube Studio, enter the page from below and you'll get to this interface. Again, tap on your channel's picture, choose a channel and open it in a new tab. Enter the page from below, activate the desktop again, then open Customize Channel in a new tab. Enter the page, then move to Basic Information. And from links, you can see the option of Add Links, so simply tap on it. We have two boxes, the first one for the link title and the second one for the URL. And since you want to add Instagram link, write Instagram as a link title. Then add your account link here and copy your Instagram link. Go to your personal profile, tap on the hamburger icon, then choose Code QR. Then share the link on the Notes app. Copy it. Then paste. And finally tap on Publish. After editing, tap on View Channel. Swipe right to About. And from here, you can see that you add an Instagram link to a YouTube channel where your followers can enter your Instagram with only one click. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!